Good afternoon, good evening, and good morning. Today I'll be reading from Mark chapter 4, verses 1 through 9. And he began again to teach by the seaside, and there was gathered unto him a great multitude, so that he entered into a ship, and sat in the sea, and the whole multitude was by the sea on the land. And he taught them many things by parables, and said unto them in his doctrine, Hearken, behold, there went out a sower to sow. And it came to pass, as he sowed, some fell by the wayside, and the fowls of the air came and devoured it up. And some fell on stony ground, where it had not much earth, and immediately it sprang up, because it had no depth of earth. But when the sun was up, it was scorched, because it had no root, it was withered away. And some fell among thorns, and the thorns grew up and choked it, and it yielded no fruit. And on the other fell on good ground, and did yield fruit, that sprang up and increased, and brought forth some 30, some 60, and some 100. And he said unto them, He that hath ears to hear, let him hear. In my notes, Jesus taught in parables. This goes from verses 1 through 34. For those inside his messianic community, it was instruction. For those outside, viewed it as judgment. In verse 2, to the hard-hearted, parables are a warning. Those that had open hearts exhibited principles of the messianic rule of God. From verses 3 to 7, the sower went out to sow. It is a common farming method. The sower sows seed without first plowing the ground. Seed fell on various kinds of ground that were not ready. Verse 8, good soil yielded much fruit, 30-fold, 60-fold, and 100-fold. Agriculture yields range from 5 to 15-fold. 10-fold plus is a good crop. Extraordinary yields of up to 100-fold, and 100-fold is the blessing of God, and we can find that in Genesis chapter 26. Verse 12, having ears to hear, and verse 9 involves submitting to God and surrendering your proud or prideful self-reliance to Him, giving it all up to Him. And this reminds me of Proverbs chapter 3, verses 5 through 6, which is trust in the Lord with all thine heart, and lean not on your own understanding. Submit to Him in all your ways, and He will make your path straight. God bless you guys.